How to change Pinterest email address. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, please subscribe to the channel as our channel is really small and you subscribing will genuinely help us and encourage us to post more videos. So now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. First you open the Pinterest app. Once you open the Pinterest app, you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right. Once you click on your profile icon, on the top right you'll find these three dots. You have to click on that and then you have to click on settings. Once you click on settings, here you'll find multiple options, but you have to choose account management. Once that page opens, here you'll find an option of email. You have to click on that and then you have to cancel it, and then you have to add your new email address that you want to add. You want to change it to a new email address on Pinterest, so you have to add that and then you have to hit on next. Once you hit on next, automatically you will be able to change your Pinterest email address. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.